Namaskaram everyone. Now I know every one of you were waiting for my Bhavaspandana experience. I did a bit late because initially I thought I will not make this video because whatever happened it cannot be explained. Really, these words, whatever I'm going to speak, it's very minute, very little in comparison to experiences that I had and whatever program happened over there. Those of you who have done the Bhavaspandana, you can relate with me, I think. But then I saw lots of comments and many people have also mailed me, so I thought, okay, I should make whatever I feel or whatever I can say. And now finally the video has come. Hope you will enjoy it, and let's proceed forward. So first I'll start with the tragedy that happened before I landed Coimbatore. On 12th, my program was going to start. I had my flight on 11th from my place to Bangalore and then from Bangalore to Coimbatore. It was my first visit to Isha and my first visit to Bangalore also, and that too all alone. I don't know why it happened to me. I missed my flight to Coimbatore. I reached Bangalore at 9:30 pm. Till then, my Coimbatore flight has already departed. I had no time to argue anyone. I just knew nothing what to do. I just told Sadhguru that I don't know how I am going to reach there. I just want to attend the program. Do whatever you want. And luckily, many people were there with me on my phone also. So at that time, luckily, one of my friend's brother, he called me and he did everything. He arranged bus for me to Coimbatore, and finally overnight from Bangalore to Coimbatore I reached Isha. The trip was okay, but my body wanted rest, which I did not get the entire day. So yeah, next day finally on 12th I reached early morning at Isha. And now actually the real game happened. I had my BSP at Chamundi Prashala. For entire 3.5 days, we all participants and volunteers also were just inside that prasala. No external person, no outsiders, no relatives that could come and meet you for entire 3.5 days. No phones, no money, and no snacks, nothing. All of them will get submitted. We were just inside the prashala. Food and other things will be given by them only, which is a program conducive food. So yes, we were now just in that program. Now in starting, I was like, I knew no one. And I'm a bit shy. Not bit, I'm too much shy. Like I cannot talk to any person in the front end. The other person has to come and talk to me. But at the end, that is on the fourth day, I guess, I experienced myself on the fourth day that I was totally different. I myself went and talked to everyone, laughed like anything, all kind of stuffs with them. Really enjoyed other people's company. I knew no one. All of them came from different places, different faces, but we all had a nice interaction with one another. We all enjoyed together. I was totally different from the previous person I was, that whenever I was all alone I would question myself, is this me? I could not get the answer. I could talk to anyone. No thoughts or no questions about what they will feel or what they will think about me, nothing. I just talked to them. And one thing very interesting was that whenever we used to call each other, we did not knew, obviously so many participants were there. Knowing name of everyone is not easy, so we just used to call them a BSP, and we just used to laugh. Then we really enjoyed each other's companionship. It was a great experience with the people over there. Now next thing was related to homework. I really did had a feeling, strong feeling, that I have written everything in my homework. But when there they said that I think you might have forgotten something. I don't know. When I took my copy again, I just started writing and I wrote more and more and more. From where these all were coming, I don't know. But I thought at that time, okay, I have forgotten all these. How did I forget all these things? But there I wrote, and finally, till the time they gave the opportunity and they gave the time to write, I wrote everything. That homework helped me a lot. Actually, for BSP, this homework is lot. If anybody of you want to do BSP, I will really recommend you that you should put your heart and soul and everything into your homework, whatever homework you will come to know. Because for BSP, the homework is very important. And I don't know, I had a blast on the second day itself. First day, okay, I was just introduction was there, and I did not had much experience. But second day, I was like totally blast. I cannot explain everything, but I have done everything. Means I cried, I laughed, and madly, not thinking, just thought that I am alone in that entire prashala. And the things I did there, I never thought or imagined of. At certain times, I felt that I am not this body there. Means all the stuffs whoever is doing, a body cannot do that. You will come to know when you will do that Bhavaspandana, because body cannot do those intense level of things. What are the things they are going to tell you over there? Really, the program is very intensive. We cannot think or imagine what type of level they are, the people over there, the volunteers, they are doing so much for us. Sadhguru is like he's present everywhere, in every corner of that prashala. Not only that prashala, entire Isha Yoga is like, even if Sadhguru's physical presence is not required, he is just present. At the end, I don't know, I was just feeling one thing. I was really very grateful to my Guru, and whatever thing was happening, I was letting those things to get happened. Many times my mind questioned me that what is happening to me like this, why am I doing like this, but I had no answers. Only thing was I was really feeling. At the end, I had the great gratitude feeling for Sadhguru. The experience of Bhavaspandana, nobody can give you, neither nowhere you can experience. So, yes, it is different. It is very different. Well, now moving forward from all these emotional things, one thing I will say that you must practice your Shambhavi daily if you're going to participate in Bhavaspandana whenever. And if you have done any physical kriyas like Angamardana or Surya Kriya, do practice them also, because it will be beneficial to you. Why am I saying? You will come to know there. And obviously, Shambhavi is a must. Not only initiation, but practicing Shambhavi is must. You should do it. And now finally coming to the food. The food is totally sattvic and highly pranic, and obviously it is super tasty. There is no limitation or foundation that how much food you should eat. Now, related to food, generally what we do at home is we simply eat food. We do not experience the food. But there, I got to experience the food. I experienced the life that I am eating. It was not the taste. Means I really had different experience eating those food because of the type of process and meditation I think that we do there. It cannot be explained. Finally, I would really recommend you that if you have done inner engineering and got initiated to Shambhavi, just go for BSP. All your things that is hidden within you, that we carry unconsciously within us, you will lose your old self there, and you will be really grateful for that. No regrets. I can guarantee you this. And also now coming to the very interesting part was I met many of my followers over there. Many of them, I did not know them. Obviously, I do not know your face and everything, but they knew my face. They came and talked to me. I had a really great experience with them. And one of my followers, we really became good friends. And she also gave her woolen cap to me because while returning from Isha, I had my train. And in AC, I really feel cool. Cap, I have bought the entire journey, and I am really thankful to her. Thank you, Priyal, if you're watching this video, and thank you for this. And finally, now ending up the video, I would just say that many people claim that Isha is trying to sell their courses. It's never like that. Like, I got initiated to Shambhavi, but I never rushed because of any advertisement or anything or any experiences anybody told. It all happened from within. The type of feelings and the type of experiences I had with my Shambhavi, I just moved to Bhavaspandana. Before this Bhavaspandana program, times Bhavaspandana has occurred, but I never enrolled because I never felt like that. But I don't know this time what happened. I could not control myself. I just went for this. There's no selling or buying things like that. There is nothing like that. Everything will happen. And with this, finally closing the video. Hope you loved it, and also just comment me down. I don't know how I was able to express everything, but yes, I could not say everything because that's part of the process and the program. You have to experience all those on your own. And now, up to next, stay safe, healthy, happy, and namaskar.